told your friend you're not okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're talking about two personalities who made their mark in acting and modeling. First is Elizabeth Lail. Elizabeth was born on March 25, 1992 in Round Rock, Texas. Her zodiac sign is Aries, and she is currently 33 years old. She first moved to New York to pursue theater, and later got her big break playing Anna in the ABC series. Once upon a time after that, she starred in the freeform series Dead of Summer and the Lifetime thriller You before becoming famous. Her only acting experience came from a few student films. She studied acting at the University of North Carolina School of the Arts. She later married dentist Niyakuman Shadi in April 2021. Now moving on to the next personality, she is a print model known for appearing in campaigns for brands like Aeropostale and Reckless, American Eagle, and Forever 21. She grew up with three sisters named Ashley, Cynthia, and Winnie, and built her modeling career through major fashion campaigns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.